Hey family, just wanted to give you a quick update. For those of you who had signed up for the bookmarks, the truth bookmarks, and you hadn't received it, I told you all I've been having some crazy challenges, but we figured it all out and I resent them all out to you. So make sure you check your email, and I've also updated them. So there's some additional information inside. If you've already downloaded it, check your email again and download the updated one. Okay, and then also for those of you who have not registered for the 7-day spiritual warfare challenge, go to the link in my bio. There's a link tree there, and you can click on it, and all of my links are there, so you can register for the 7-day free spiritual warfare challenge. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about that in a second. You can also get the just get everything. You get the truth scriptures link. You can get information about all my stuff. So go there to the link tree in my bio and you'll have access to everything, and it's all free. And then, so how is the challenge going to work? Those of you who are concerned that it's going to affect your work, it's not. We're talking about 10 minutes a day. It's not that much. But what I'm going to do is invite each of you into my Queeniegram or my Telegram channel. And every day we're all going to check in. There's going to be a video or an audio that you're going to listen to, and there'll be a printout of the scriptures and of the prayer that you can speak to, so that all of us are standing in agreement, saying the same prayer out loud and using our voices, because that matters, right? So we're going to all be saying the same prayer each day. And then there's some additional resources. Once you sign up, you'll have access to everything. You're going to get a video tomorrow, which kicks everything off, and it's called You Are the Weapon. So it's going to be a powerful week. It's an all hands on deck type situation. You guys know we are in prophetic times. The world around us is showing us evidence all day, every day, that playtime is over. Okay, so we have to band together and lock arms over this word and do what the Father called us to do. He said, pray without ceasing. So we are going to have the words to say, and we're going to be in agreement with one another, and it's an all hands on deck situation. So invite your friends and family. There are resources available that are all free that's going to support us in this whole week. Okay, so click on the link in my link tree and it'll take you to the 7-day spiritual warfare challenge. You're going to register for free. You're going to share it with your friends. You're going to click on the all the buttons. I think I'm pointing in the wrong direction, but all the buttons. Start at the bottom, click on the bottom, share it. Make sure you like it. Make sure if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and follow, and leave a comment and say 5 words or more that you are ready for the challenge and you are up to it. And that's going to help the algorithm send this out to more people. All right. So let's help me go viral this week with this challenge so that we can reach the most amount of believers, and all of us can collectively come together for the great grand co-mission that we share in lifting up the name of our Father, lifting up his word, speaking it collectively, and making a mark that can't be erased. All right, y'all ready? Put I'm ready in the comments. Let's go. Let's go. And make sure you register so you get all the resources. All right. Talk soon, loves. Bye-bye.